Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play your Nintendo Switch on a laptop. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite games on a larger, portable screen. The core of this setup involves using a capture card, which acts as a bridge between your console and your computer. We'll go through all the necessary equipment and the simple steps to get everything connected and running smoothly. Get ready to transform your gaming experience. To get started, you'll need a few key pieces of equipment. Of course, your Nintendo Switch console and its dock are fundamental. You'll also require a reliable HDMI cable to transmit the video and audio. Most importantly, a high-quality capture card is essential for converting the signal into a format your laptop can display. Finally, ensure your laptop has a compatible USB port, ideally USB 3.0 or newer, for optimal performance. Setting up the physical connections is quite straightforward. First, place your Nintendo Switch console into its official docking station. Next, connect one end of your HDMI cable to the HDMI output port on the Switch dock. Then, plug the other end of that HDMI cable into the HDMI input port on your capture card. Finally, connect the capture card to your laptop using a USB 3.0 cable, ensuring a stable data transfer. Once everything is physically connected, the next step is the software. Install the dedicated software that came with your capture card or use a compatible third-party application. Launch the software and select your capture card as the primary video input source. You can then adjust various video and audio settings to achieve the best possible quality. Now, you are all set to enjoy playing your favorite Nintendo Switch games directly on your laptop screen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.